how to use the Arabic function in Excel. So the purpose of the Arabic function is to convert Roman numerals to decimal numbers. It's a fairly simple function. We'll go ahead and start here. You'll notice I already have a few Roman numerals in my A column. We'll just go ahead and type equals A to start our function. And we just keep going until we get to the Arabic option. Double click on that, and then it'll ask for our text. If we just select the cell that we want to use or convert, then hit equals, it will then say that the Roman numeral of just the letter I equals 1. Okay, if we drag this down, so we copy that formula again, it then says 2 because 2 i's equals 2, and then we can just extend this all the way down, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, and 10 to 10. And so that's how you use the Arabic function in Microsoft Excel.